up in the field you go.
Damn, look at how.
Alright, so I have my Circuit Works resonated Y pipe coming today for this. And we're gonna put on some new cats on this car because he wants to pass inspection. These are my stock cats because I got test pipes the other day. Well, actually, I got his test pipes. He bought the car with test pipes and, you know, we need to pass inspection, so. He bought some before I took mine off, and now I took mine off and he's gonna use it because the one that he has is leaking or something, but it's storing the check engine light code, so. Yeah, we're just gonna deal with that today.
No, it's just, it's more reliable. It's like.
Alright guys, so we just got delivery. Fat ass resonator. That's good though, cause it'll quiet it down at least a little bit. Make it sound a little bit better. And then the Y pipe of the Y pipe. Nice flex pipes. Looks nice. The welds are good. And here's the resonator. It has Circuit Works on it. It looks really cool. It reminds me of the oh, and this is the clamp. It reminds me of the Motordyne XYZ pipe, I think it's called. So I think it should sound pretty damn good. And it comes with these like lock nut things. I don't really know what to call them. I already put some on here, but I guess it's supposed to go on the nut side as well. But the nut already has the grip, so I don't know if I need them per se. So maybe I'll just keep them just in case like these ones fail. Especially because I lost one already, so.
There it is. There's the gasket.
Yep. Oh. Yep.
No, never mind. Well, yeah. Keep it over here.
Well, yeah, keep it here just in case. But this was so much easier when it just broke, yo.
I'm so. Oh, you good? Why did it look like you got electrocuted?
Literally died.
Bruh. Started spazzing.
Alright, plug it out. Plug it out. You smell that?
Yes.
Straight up fire, my guy. Let my mixtape.
Wow, these are very nicely braided. Feels very nice.
Try to connect it right from the bottom, and then once it's on, then yeah.
I'm just trying to make sure. I'm trying to see.
I guess it'll pull it more together once it's tighter.
Yeah. I'm still moving.
It's at 8%. Alright guys, the resonated Y pipe is on. We're gonna start the car shortly.
Are you gonna start the car?
Now we're done finally. Thanks to these guys.
Alright guys, we're about to do the first startup.
Deeper and smoother.
My car is smoking a lot, yo. I think I have a leak where my test pipe is. So I gotta fix that. There's always something. Gotta jack the damn car up again. Whatever.
But honestly, I swear you're my savior, girl.